So it's the 12th of November 2020 and this is Lahnaruohontie, Praxis Gräsvägen 1 steg A. There's also steg B here and I've filmed it before, but you can also film it.
Yeah.
And it says in Swedish and Finnish here. This is amazing. Original with this rare and flooded gator with a circle in the middle. Yes. So this one has 4 floors and it was built in 1953. 55 actually, turning 65 years old this year in 2020. That's it, 3 persons and 240 grams. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. The serial number is H5982. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Looks like the fourth floor has been pressed most times.
Yeah.
And there's the stop and alarm button also.
Spektiittaakin meidän temppaisi sillä.
Someone is coming, you can wait.
Yeah.